Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastava, I am your computer teacher and this is my new video of class 7th, okay, class 3rd, and your chapter is chapter 7, Introduction to Scratch. I think all of you written the difficult words already written. So what is a computer language? So to talk a person, we use a language which that person can understand. If we want to talk any person, then that is must necessary you have to अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज ऑफ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, यानी अगर हम किसी से बात करना चाहते हैं तो हमें उनकी लैंग्वेज यानी उनकी भाषा आनी चाहिए. तो टू टॉक टू द कंप्यूटर वी शुड यूज़ लैंग्वेज दैट द कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड. सो इफ़ वी वांट टू टॉक टू द कंप्यूटर मीन्स इफ़ वी वांट टू डू वर्क ऑन अ कंप्यूटर देन we already understand the language of computer. तो a language that a computer understand is called a computer language. यानी एक ऐसी भाषा जो कंप्यूटर समझता है उसे हम कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज यानी कंप्यूटर की भाषा कहते हैं. तो computer languages are also known as a programming language. All softwares that we use on our computers are made by using one programming language or the other. तो जो हम कंप्यूटर पे लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम्स बनाते हैं उन प्रोग्राम्स बनाने में जो लैंग्वेज हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसी को हम लोग कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज कहते हैं, या उन्हीं का एक दूसरा नाम प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज भी है. वी हैव टू कॉल कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस आर आल्सो नोन एज अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस. ऑल सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम्स दैट वी यूज ऑन आवर कंप्यूटर written by made by using one of the programming language. So here one is the very popular programming language is a Scratch. What is a Scratch? A Scratch is a very simple and easy to use educational programming language. It is very simple and easy to use educational programming language. It has been specially designed for the young children to learn programming in a fun way. ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए तैयार किया गया ताकि उनको भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखने को मिले, ताकि एक अच्छे तरीके से वो फन वे में उसको मतलब एक हल्के तौर पे वो आसानी से सीख सकें. इट अलाउज अस टू क्रिएट आवर ओन गेम्स, स्टोरीज एंड एनिमेशंस. तो स्क्रैच 3.0 इज़ द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ स्क्रैच दैट वाज रिलीज्ड बाय MIT Media Lab in January 2019. तो व्हाट इज़ द स्क्रैच? दिस इज़ द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ स्क्रैच 3.0. We can use Scratch 3.0 online or download its offline editor from the website. This is the address. You have to download it online, okay? That is free. Basic elements of Scratch. There are some basic elements of Scratch that we should learn about before starting work with it. Let us learn about them one by one. So first is a sprite. A sprite is an object, character, image, shape or letter that we can give stepwise instructions to perform an action. The Scratch cat is the default sprite that appears on the stage. So if any image you seen, this is the various images, various objects. Okay, these objects are called sprites. आप इसमें से कोई भी सेलेक्ट करके उसको अपना बना सकते हैं. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो अपने आप आता है वो स्प्राइट इमेज है, ये स्क्रैच कैट. ओके, नेक्स्ट blocks. Blocks are the visual commands or code that help us to give instructions to the sprite to perform an action. There are many blocks that are grouped into different categories. So blocks are the visual commands. Which commands we have given to the sprite, this is known as a block. Okay, this is the instructions through which we can do some work. ये वो instructions होते हैं जो हम कंप्यूटर को देते हैं sprites को वर्क करने के लिए. तो ये आपके क्या कहलाते हैं? ब्लॉक्स. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लॉक्स हैं. स्क्रिप्ट्स. A script is a collection of interlocked blocks onto the scripts area. We can drag and drop the blocks on the scripts to create a script. तो one by one all the instructions are come, one by one all the instructions are given and these instructions are interlocked. एक साथ सारे interlock एक साथ बंध जाते हैं and this is known as a script. Script means एक तरह की एक कहानी होती है कि जो हमको यहाँ पे जो आउटपुट लाना होता है उस आउटपुट के लिए हम अलग अलग तरह के कमांड्स देते हैं and these commands are grouped together. ये सारे कमांड्स एक ग्रुप में एक साथ इकट्ठा करते हैं and that are called as a blocks. Okay, and that make the script, and that commands are known as a blocks, and that all that blocks work together and make a script. costume. A costume is a different appearance of a sprite. Each sprite has at least one costume. जैसे हम पोशाक बदलते हैं अपने, उसी तरह से आप चाहें तो इस ये मैस्कॉट है, ये जो स्क्रैच कैट, इसका भी यहाँ पे ये ऑरेंज कलर का, आप इसकी कलर को चेंज कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ नोन एज अ कॉस्ट्यूम. यानी डिफरेंट अपीयरेंस ऑफ ए स्प्राइट, अलग अलग तरह से उसको अपीयर करना, ये हम चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. बैकड्रॉप्स. बैकड्रॉप इज़ द कलरफुल बैकग्राउंड दैट वी कैन सेट ऑन द स्टेज. Colorful background like our computer screen, that is the colorful background. So this is known as a backdrop. If you want to change the background of the scripts area, okay, and you want to use the colorful image, then you use the backdrop option. Stage is the area where the sprite appears and performs actions according to the given instructions. So stage क्या है? Stage is the area where the scripts appears and performs actions according to the given instructions. So stage is the main working area where all that works will be performed. So I will show you. That is the starting Scratch desktop. So in an offline editor of Scratch 3.0 is called the Scratch desktop. To start Scratch desktop on the computer, click on the start button, all programs and Scratch desktop option. The Scratch desktop window will open as shown below. इस तरह का एक स्क्रैच विंडो ओपन होगा. आई विल शो यू ऑन माई कंप्यूटर. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज योर कंप्यूटर लैब. ओके, लुक हियर, दिस इज योर कंप्यूटर लैब. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड I will show you how to open the Scratch. You have to click on that start and then all programs. Look, here is a Scratch. In this, that is Scratch 2.0. Okay. Look, this is the Scratch desktop window by default. Looks like this. Okay, so what is this? This is the blocks palette. This is the blocks categories, menu bar. What is that menu here? File, edit, tutorials. I will show you. File, edit, different. This is the menu bar. Okay, and this is the scripts area. What is that? This is the script area, blank. This is the scripts area. Okay, that is the script area. This is the script area. Okay, and this is the sprite. Here is by default cat sprite. Okay, if you want to change, then look here, this is the backdrop. What is written here? Choose a backdrop button. So look, choose a sprite button. This is the backdrop and sprites. So look here is also, this is the backdrop. Okay, if you want to choose a backdrop and choose different sprites, then you have to use the choosing a sprite from library. What is it written here? Choosing a sprite from library. So this is the, and this is the various types of tabs, motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, all that is written also here. Okay, look, motion, looks, sound, events, control. This is the blocks categories. So this is the Scratch desktop window, looks like same. Okay, and if you want to full screen view, then you have to use this. This is the shrink, this is the grow, delete. Okay, so that is the, if you want to open, close it, then there is the option to close. So this is the Scratch desktop window. Okay students, we will discuss it in my next video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.